Hi, I'm Stephanie, one of your International Student Advisors in the Student Success Office. All of our advisors are regulated Canadian immigration consultants and available to you as an international student at University of Waterloo at no additional cost. We do not submit your applications for you, but we can meet with you for a consultation. To learn more about Student Success Office services for international students, visit our website. I'm going to take you through how to create an online account on the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, or IRCC, website. You will use this account to apply for Canadian immigration documents from within Canada, such as a study permit extension or changing study permit conditions, a temporary resident visa, initial co-op work permit and extension, transferring designated learning institutions, or a postgrad work permit. You don't need to create an account if there is nothing you are applying for at this time. If you don't remember the account you used for your first study permit application, don't worry, you can create a new one. It is best to use the same account for all future online applications though, to keep track of your application record. Okay, let's get started. You are going to start by entering the Government of Canada's website into your browser, canada.ca. Select English or French. In the immigration drop-down menu, select My Application. Then select Sign In or Create an Account. You can create an account using an online banking login through Sign-In Partner or by creating a GC key, user ID, and password. If you choose Sign-In Partner, select the financial institution you use in Canada and sign in with your online banking login. If you do not see your bank listed, then you will have no choice but to create the GC key. If you choose GC key, select Sign Up. Read the terms and conditions of use and create your user ID and password and recovery questions. It is important that you remember your login information, so keep it in a secure place. Once you have created your login through the Sign-In Partner or GC key, you are ready to create your online account. Click Continue on the next page and read the terms and conditions on the page after that. On the Create an Account page, type in your given name, which is your first and middle names, your last name or names, which is your family name or names, and preferred email address and language. Click on the question marks for more information as well. Next, create your security questions and click Continue. It is important to remember the answers to your security questions because you will need to answer one every time you sign into this account. Ensure this information is kept in a secure place. Congratulations, you have created your online account with IRCC. You will see your account's main profile page. We recommend that you check "I would like to receive monthly updates about my application" so that you do not miss any updates or messages from IRCC. You don't have to complete an application all at once. You can log in and out of this account while working on your application. Selecting Apply for Visitor Visa, Study and/or Work Permit is where you will start an online temporary resident application. Selecting Transfer from DLI Number is where you will do a DLI transfer. DLI means Designated Learning Institution. You will do a DLI transfer if you have transferred to Waterloo from another post-secondary school in Canada, or used another post-secondary school's letter of acceptance for your initial study permit application, but then decided to study at Waterloo. You must notify IRCC of this. All future ongoing and submitted applications will be listed here. Once you submit an application, IRCC can still ask for additional documents by sending you a message through your account messages or by emailing you directly. Visit our immigration documents page for information about various applications. It is your responsibility to submit the correct application. If you have any questions, consult with an international student advisor. You can find out how to do that by visiting our immigration advisor page.